Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to plan for the week of September 2nd through the 8th. Wow. First week of school for my kids. I know it's a little late compared to a lot of people, but yeah, they start on the 3rd. Well, this week I thought I would use a set of stickers that I got a while ago, but haven't actually used. These are from Little Haven she's a sticker shop here in Canada, and she has these lovely cozy desk vibes. And I feel like this is the well, that one looks like winter and that one looks like winter. I don't want winter yet, but I feel like the color scheme of this is really, really lovely. And I'm going to combine it with some leftover alcohol ink that I have from According to Allie. Let's get started. So I just want to use up really the last of these, and I'm going to, why do I never have my scissors right when I'm planning? My desk, because somebody made a comment that my desk looks really, really neat, or my my notebook, my ink journal book looks very neat, but you do not see the mess that, how do I want to cut this? Do I want to cut this going down like that? Yeah. Nobody sees the mess that is off camera. So thank you for commenting that my desk looks neat, but even outside of the camera view, there's like piles of ink samples that I have to swatch. There's a pile of books here with papers. It's the camera. It's like, you know, the camera adds 20 pounds, but the camera can also hide a lot of things. Okay, so the one thing I wanted to do was to put the alcohol ink up in this corner so that it looks like it's coming down. And then the other half of that here. Oops. Then I think I'm basically just placing these wherever. And one over here. And then the other half of this one here. And then I finished a sticker sheet, yay. For me, I find it so satisfying being able to finish off a sticker sheet. Then let's do the gold. I think this one will work well here. So the navy and the gold are actually working really well together. Oh gosh, of course, this is the time that right above me in my kitchen is when my husband decides that he's going to take out the power drill. Why? I don't know. And then one more alcohol ink. Let's put it here in between the two gray. So it is Labor Day today, and I don't have a lot of plans, which I am very grateful for, because the month of August has just been crazy for me. And you know, in the weekend leading up to the kids starting school, I am needing just a day to play with my pens and inks, to just relax and do things in my own time. Yeah. So I'm just putting these wherever. Well, I say wherever, but trying to find good places for them in the spread. But I know I'll be working out that early, so let's put this one here. Yeah. Then there's two more here. I kind of think that I kind of want to put them across here. And then, gosh, what is he doing? I went to go see what my husband was doing, and he said that the cupboard door basically fell, or the top part of the cupboard door fell off in the kitchen. So I just spent a few minutes helping him out there. Now, I like these, but I think I will save them for, where does that one go? for maybe the journaling spread. All right, so let's see. Like this color doesn't really match, but I do want quotes in here. What do I have? The blue may not match, but I believe I have black or gray. Those will do. Those will do in a pinch. Here we go. Protect your peace. I like that one. And then I like this one, the just breathe. Because I feel like after the last month, definitely need a bit of a breather. Although saying that, it's Monday on the 12th, I'm also traveling somewhere again. So really, the months of June, July, August, September, and even October, I will be traveling somewhere. June, my husband and I went off to Kelowna for our anniversary. July was Portland. And then August was Banff, Canmore, Kananaskis, and San Francisco. September is Niagara Falls. And then October, I have to go to Vancouver for work. And I'm so grateful that I get to travel as much as that, but I'm also tired. Okay, what ink do I want to use? Oh, I have Diamine Earl Grey in this pen currently. But where is my, here we go. I always try to use our blotting paper when I'm planning so that I don't get the oils of my hands on the paper, but also to prevent smudging. So here in the corner, I am drawing out my sleep score graph. Then I feel like I could use another color. I think I want to see if this is a good purple to use. I think it might be actually. So, oh yeah, workout. Monday, Tuesday, it's very, very wet ink. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Perfect. All right, so then we'll start from today. Today is Labor Day. So what did I do this morning? I got up at 8. I've already done my stepper workout. And the tasks for today, I do have a few tasks, but I actually won't write them in here. I will, actually, you know what, let's do to do. Because today is a home day, so I need to check over my finances, which I've already done. I need to film this video. I need to film an ink haul from 2 friends who did ink swaps with me. I need to film really days 3 through 10 for 30 inks. And then I have to work on my freebies because I am taking part in the Canadian planner, no, the planner conference that's happening in Toronto later this month. I am, what's it called? Contributing freebies or for the swag bag. Oh, and then I have to order groceries and meal plan and label school supplies. Well, Henry's school supplies anyway. Okay, tomorrow I will be, let's see, at 8 o'clock. Drop off Henry at school. And then I have work. So it's his first day of school tomorrow. I will be dropping him off, but every other day he and Robin are going to take the bus. And then in the evening I will be, well, I say in the evening, I will, not me, put out garbage, because garbage day is Wednesday. So let's get a cute icon here, because if you're not going to use these icons, oh, I don't think I have any more garbage ones in here. No, I have to get this one out. There we go. All my mini icons. I have a few that I want to create actually. There's my garbage ones. Then Wednesday, Robin has her first day of school. So she's getting an extra day before school actually starts, because they have staggered entry for junior high, well, for grade 7s, and she will not need to be there on the first day. Ooh, okay. So then, see, this is the thing. I'm moving things around and then I lose my blotting paper. And then work. And Wednesday is a big deal for me because I am graduating from the training team at work, and I am moving to my actual team, which I knew this was eventually going to happen, but it's come around so quickly. And part of me is like, am I actually ready to move into the real world? And like, there's always that trepidation of, you know, removing the training wheels per se, and then actually going to do the real job. Oh, I just had the weighing scale. There we go. But I know it's part of the process. All right, and then, oh, the dog is barking next door. And then Thursday, I have a different shift because I go to weigh in at Weight Watchers at 5:30. And then my husband will be picking up the groceries at 6:30. There we go, grocery bag. And it's a good little routine we have with the groceries if they get everything right. And then Friday, back to full day on Fridays, no longer half day Fridays, which I was actually really grateful for the summer, especially with, you know, the kids being off. Having those half day Fridays was really, really nice. But now back to regularly scheduled Fridays. But also it's an adjustment for me going from 4 10-hour days to now working 5 days a week. But it also means now that I have the evenings free, it's actually quite nice to have those evenings free rather than trying to make dinner while I'm still finishing up work. Where are the dog stickers? Because Lucy has a grooming. Yes, she does. She has a grooming at, what time is it at? Oh, I have to check. This is why I have my passport planner. She's at 10:30. Yes, this is why I love my passport planner, because I write things in there when I'm out and about. So 10:30, Lucy at Hollywood. Then there's no other plans that I know of on that day, but I normally fill stuff in as I go, but it'll probably be a day, well, my plan is for this coming weekend to do a lot of painting and getting things ready for my September 20th release. The release is a little later this month because it was a little later last month due to my anniversary sale, but also I am taking part in the Canadian Planners sale happening this month. All right, so then my kids also have their usual ninja. And then badminton. Oops, I mixed it up. 12. There's not a lot of space. Okay. I think that's it that I need to fill out for these days. Let me tidy up. I really like the whole vibe and mood of these pages, and just alcohol ink and a few stickers can make a huge difference. I feel like I do need something in this corner though, but I might just leave it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.